So I have this one. I used to live in Los Angeles. So in Los Angeles, we used to go and surf. Hold on.
5 hours later.
So a lot of I don't have my tripod here. The Airbnbs around the area are very similar to be like the little back house and or a room. There are some that are complete spaces that separate from the main house, but they're usually like guest rooms or guest houses in this area. This area where I live is the Heights. It's beautiful. Like literally, you can walk anywhere. There's dogs and babies over. There's a park, 2 houses next to me. I love it. This is like when. So when I temporarily out of nowhere moved to Houston, or not out of nowhere, my mom is sick. It's so sick. This is like so satisfying. You have to see this while I'm talking about. So, the movie, I remember, so the first time it was the first week that I was in Houston. And I remember I was driving to the Home Depot from the old place that we had. And, it was raining and I drove by this. I'd never driven by this space before, and I drove by. And I remember thinking to myself, like, how lovely this street is. Wouldn't it be wonderful to live here? And now I'm living here. So, with that said, follow your dreams. With Airbnb, there's so many places similar to ours. So what it's gonna make it more stand out from the competition. This is very marketing thing that I do with my clients. Also link in bio. But yes, I'm making it a little bit more boutique-ish, more, it's clean, streamlined, but also cool to go there. My demographic that I'm trying to hit is either business people that want something not too rigid and too modern, but it's still modern with feeling comfortable like you're home. And that said is like, I know my demographic. I know the demographic in the area. So in my loft, which it's gonna have my very first surfboard, and we are gonna hang it somewhere. So I am not sure I like it over there. I mean, do I like it? What do you guys think? Or instead of hanging, should I put it here? What do you think?